Okay, we are continuing right along with pages 19 and 20. Birds. Birds are also a class of animals in the phylum Chordata. What does that mean? Oh, the animals with the spinal cord. A bird is a feathered creature. It has a backbone and lays eggs. Most birds fly, although there are a few birds that don't fly, like ostriches and penguins. Tiny hummingbirds, and large emus are all in this group. Birth. Like fish, birds lay eggs, but the eggs of birds have hard shells. Inside this protective home, the baby grows until it's ready to break out. Growth. When birds first break out of their shells, they have fuzzy down feathers that aren't good for flying. As they get older, they grow flight feathers. Some birds also change color. The bald eagle is brown all over as a youth. It gets its white head and tail feathers when it's an adult. Did you know some mammals lay eggs? This kind of mammal is called a monotreme. An example of a monotreme is a platypus. Here's a few words to know. The phylum Chordata is a large group in the animal kingdom. It includes mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. These animals all have spinal cords. Emu is a large bird with strong, fast legs that can't fly. Monotreme is a mammal that lays eggs. We learned that over here, like a platypus. All right, looking over at fish. Like mammals and birds, fish are a class of animals in the phylum Chordata. A fish usually lives its entire life underwater. Fish have backbones and breathe through gills instead of lungs. Tuna, sharks, and goldfish are all part of the fish group. Birth. Fish produce their young by laying squishy eggs. Growth. Like mammals, most fish just get bigger as they age. Now, we've already talked about insects, but it never hurts to do a little refresher. Insects are a class of animals in the phylum Arthropoda. They do not have backbones. An insect has 6 legs and antennae. Its hard body is divided into 3 sections. Ants, wasps, grasshoppers, and ladybugs are all in the insect family. Birth. Insects hatch from tiny eggs. Growth. Different kind of insects go through different life cycles. Some insects are born and then simply grow larger. Others change dramatically in the process called metamorphosis. You'll read more about this in Chapter 3. You'll also learn about it a little bit later today. Did you know spiders aren't insects? They are in a class with scorpions called arachnids. They have 8 legs, not 6 legs, like true insects. But spiders are arthropods, like insects. Okay. Why don't baby birds fly right away? Is this because they're too scared? Their baby feathers are too soft? Their mother bird does not want them to fly. I bet if I go back to the text, I can find that answer.